Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Learning. In this video, we are starting a new lecture, that is HTML. I have already posted some HTML web pages in YouTube, but some of you requested me to give videos on HTML from the basics. So for them, I have brought a new video on HTML from the basic. Okay, I will give some tutorials on HTML, and after watching those tutorials, you can easily make your own web page using HTML. Along with HTML, we will also learn some CSS tags. In this tutorial, we are not going any sort of details on CSS. In the later videos, you can find the mention of some CSS tags. So, without wasting time, let's start learning our HTML. At first, let us know the full form of HTML. Full form of HTML means hypertext markup language. So, HTML means hypertext markup language. Now, let us know the definition. Okay, so what is the definition? It is a web-based programming language generally used to create any web page. So, HTML is a web-based programming language generally used to create any web page. Now, one question is arising in your mind, that is, what is a web page? Okay, now I will clear your query. Now let us learn what is a web page. Let me open a web page. I am opening a web page. Suppose this is a web page. Here it is the name of the web page, computer. I have made this web page in earlier video and showed you the coding. Okay, so this is a web page. Here this white portion will display the HTML results, and the name of the web page will display in the arrow in this tab. Okay, so this is an example of web page. Okay, I think you can understand what is a web page. In web page, HTML codes can run easily. Now let us know the chronicles of HTML. HTML consists of two parts. HTML consists of two parts. One part is called text part and another part is called the body part. So let us know what is the head part and what is the body part. Head part means upper portion of web page or HTML coding, upper portion of HTML coding. So in head part, you can give the title of the web page. Title means the name of the web page. See this web page here, I have given the name computer as its title. So this is the title of the web page. This is called the title of the web page, the name. In this tab you can see computer word. So it is the title of this web page. And in the body part, the rest of the web page is displayed. That is, you can see the table. This table, we will create this table in our next videos, but now you know that all the main codings of HTML will be done in the body part. The head part will consist only some links. Okay, only some links and the title of the web page. No need to know now what are the links used in HTML. We will learn this about this in next videos. So the head part consists of only title and the body part consists of the rest part of the web page, that is the main HTML portions. Okay, I think you can understand what is head part and what is body part. Now let us know software where you can write your HTML codes. So two kinds of softwares are there. Two kinds of software. One is what you see is what you get. What you see is what you get. So what you see is what you get. It's a type of software. It's the name of the software. Okay, this is the name of the software. Here in this software you can write your HTML code. One feature of this software is that you need not to write any HTML tags. In this kind of software you can easily track images or navigation bars, etc., and can make beautiful web pages and websites. Okay, so another type of software is called text editors. In this type of software you have to write HTML codes and can display your HTML codings in the web pages. So this is another type of softwares which you can use for creating HTML web pages. So text editors are of many kinds, that is many type of products are there of text editors. Text editors have many kind of products, such as I am writing here some basic text editors that are Notepad, WordPad, Notepad++, Atom, etc. So these are some of the text editors where you can make your HTML codings. Okay. So now let us know which of the softwares are easy to use. It's basically your choice which software you will use. You can use what you say, what you get, or text editors. In the tutorials, I will use text editors because you have to know what are the tags. You should know what are the tags. You cannot learn HTML if you use what you see, what you get editor. But I am not saying that it is bad, but I will not use. I will use text editors. Okay, and in the description of this video I will give the link of Notepad++, how to download it. Okay, I will give the link of Notepad++. This, I will give the link of this. Okay, and Notepad and WordPad is automatically installed in your computer. You need not to download it. You can find it in your computer easily. If you go here and search here Notepad, you can easily find anything here, Notepad. Okay, so Notepad and WordPad is easily available, but Notepad++, Atom, etc. softwares are very much updated. You have to install the software. Okay, so these are called the HTML editors. One is what you see, what you get. Another is text editors. Example of text editors are Notepad, WordPad, Notepad++, Atom, etc. Now let us write our first HTML web page. Now you can easily understand HTML. I think you cannot understand very easily in this explanation. Now, when I will write my first HTML web page, you can easily learn HTML. So, let us open Notepad++ and start our first HTML web page. So, I am searching a Notepad++, I am opening it. So, this is the inference of this Notepad++. Okay, so let us know something about Notepad++. Notepad++ is easily accessible software. Okay, here you can run your HTML coding. Not only HTML, other programming languages can be done here by writing the syntax. Okay, now let us start our HTML coding. To start our HTML coding, what you have to do in Notepad++ is go to File, then go to Save As, then save this. I am giving the name page 1, and if you save this, let's see, the extension is .txt. Here you can see .txt. I think you can see page 1.txt here. But to run HTML, the extension must be .html, not .txt. Okay, so to give the extension .html, let us again go to File, then go to Save As, then here again write .html. Remember, when you are starting your HTML coding, you have to give this extension. Okay, .html, you have to give this extension. Otherwise, your HTML coding will not run. So page 1.html. Now let us save this. Okay, you can see now the extension is .html here, page 1.html. Now start our first HTML coding. To start our first HTML coding, we have to give these two brackets first. Okay, observe this carefully. These two brackets first, we first have to give. Then between these, type here HTML. Okay, just see this carefully. Give these two brackets, then between the brackets type here HTML. Okay, then press enter. In line 2, again give these two brackets. Okay, again give these two brackets and give a slash here. Then again write HTML. Again write HTML. Okay, then between these, start the head part of the HTML. So I have given head this tag. This was HTML tag, and now I will give the title of the web page. Thus I have given the head tag. Now again, following the earlier rule, again give a slash and again write head again. Okay, now give the title of the web page again, like earlier rule. Give these two brackets, then again write here title, T-I-T-L-E, title. Then again give this two bracket, same as earlier rule. Then give a slash and again write title. Okay, this is the basic syntax. Here you give the title, the name you want to give. I want to give computer, computer. Now let's start our body part. Again, like earlier rule, give this two bracket, then give here body. Again, give these two brackets, then give slash, then again write here body. Now the items what you want to display in your body parts, just write here. I am writing computer learning. Okay, so now see the result. Go to file, then save this and open it in your web browser. Just write here and search page 1. Okay, here just open this, click here and open this. Here you can see the title is computer. See here, I have given the title computer. Okay, here the title is computer, and see this, and in the body section computer learning, this letter has been typed. So minimize this and go to the coding part. Here you can see in the body section I have given computer learning, this word, thus here it is displaying computer learning. So this is the main syntax. The main necessary syntax is this. Now here you can give other tags which we will discuss in the next lecture. In this lecture only know about just this part. Okay, first start the HTML part, then end this, and between the HTML give the head part and end this, and in head give the title and end the title. Now give the body section, the body part, body tag here, and end the body tag. In the body tag you will give any letter. Okay, in body part you will have to give many other tags which I will discuss in the next lecture. In this lecture only remember that in the body part, okay, in the body part a letter has been displayed, and in this tutorial you have learned how to give a title in web page, how to give body part in HTML, what is head part, what is body part, what are the softwares we can use. Okay, what are the softwares we can use to run HTML. So if necessary you can take a screenshot. I am waiting for 3 seconds. I think you all have taken screenshot. Just remember this tag. Okay, I've explained this tag, and in the next lecture we will again recall some of the important things here and start our next topic. So goodbye, see you in the next video. Thank you.